You've heard by now, likely, Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro was captured by U.S. forces over the weekend and is standing trial in court in New York.
It's a move that is sparking major mixed reaction, including in Utah. Protests have been happening since Saturday, with critics saying the U.S. is breaking international law.
At the same time, others are saying the Trump administration did the right thing.
ABC4's Bayan Wang is monitoring the protests today. Bayan, you found people with a variety of opinions on this.
Yeah, that's exactly right. I was actually at the protests in front of the federal building in downtown, and protesters were telling me that they feel like Trump overstepped his power by capturing Maduro without congressional approval. But on the other hand, I also spoke to a Venezuelan American who is an immigration attorney in Utah, and he says Venezuelans are happy that Maduro was captured. If you recall, Trujillo represented Josh Holt, the Utahn who was arrested and tortured in Venezuela back in 2016 before his release.
This was meant to, kind of exert some sort of message upon the country. Everything was political.
Those were the circumstances in Venezuela when Utah resident Josh Holt went there to marry his girlfriend in 2016. That's according to Utah immigration attorney Carlos Trujillo.
They consider Americans part of what is the problem in Venezuela, and they took him and his wife in prison, and they tortured them and kept them for almost 2 years.
Trujillo was Holt's attorney at the time, trying to get Holt and his wife out of the country. Venezuelan officials held Holt on bogus charges of spying and stockpiling weapons.
I was one that worked as a liaison with the American government, Venezuelan government, with the attorneys in Venezuela, trying to protect the very little rights.
Holt was released in 2018 before filing a lawsuit against Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro in 2024 for leading a criminal enterprise that kidnaps, tortures, and unjustly imprisons American citizens. Trujillo, a Venezuelan American, has been paying close attention to the recent capture of Maduro. He says there has been a general consensus among the Venezuelan community.
Venezuelan people are happy with the fact that Maduro today is in jail. There is no denying that.
Trujillo says if there is any protesting among Venezuelans, it's likely because they want the rest of Maduro's regime out of the country as well.
You really needed to eradicate the whole movement, the whole regime. You need to allow the opposition to come in.
The Trump administration says America is going to run Venezuela for now while taking control of its oil reserves, a move that Trujillo believes is good for the country.
We're not naive to the fact that the help of the United States does come with a string attached, and that's okay. You know, the fact of the matter is, if you go back to the affluence of Venezuela in the 90s, in the 80s, the oil power was there because there was private companies that were willing to invest.
Now, while Trujillo says Venezuelans are celebrating, he says the ones that are currently here are also concerned. Trujillo says there are about 18 to 20,000 Venezuelans in Utah. Many of them have lived here for many years and have invested in the state. He's hoping that their asylum claims aren't thrown out the door following Maduro's capture. Live in studio, I'm Bayan Wang, ABC4 News.